Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, things are trying to bottom out here, but it's just having lots of problems building momentum. What do I mean by that? Well, right here you can see, first off, just it gapped up this morning, made a nice move, and then in the world of candlesticks, this is what we would call an upper shadow, upper wick. And you can see the big upper wick tells us the price went up there and then went back down. And then you see another big upper shadow. What does that mean? Well, that means at one point the price had worked its way up there, but you can see went right back down. So there was the second failed attempt at momentum. And then you look at during the last 30 minutes right here, and again, not as big of a wick as these other ones, but again, price made a move up and then ultimately went back down. Now, does that mean that this thing's for sure collapsing down below 20 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just pointing out that's what I mean by, making the comment of this thing just seems to really struggle with building and sustaining any sort of momentum. So that's definitely going to, need to change if there is going to be any sort of bigger type bounce, which, this one has shown it can move. There's no doubt about it. The track record is very apparent that, when this thing has the right circumstances, it can move big and it can move very quickly. But right now, yeah, it's been trying to move 3 times today, but each one of those times that momentum just got, smacked right back down. So that'll be the first key dynamic to watch, is just can the price at least get some solid green candles, which suggests that there's some momentum being built. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here. The party stopped I guess the party stopped for the bears if you want to look at it that angle. But right there at 20 cents is going to be a very important level. That's essentially, where the price has just been going sideways all day long. So keep a close eye on that. And then from more so the overarching area of resistance side of things, in my mind, that does a good job of kind of illustrating the general area of resistance going forward. So, it's good to see. The positive note is that the price tried several times today to get moving again and failed, but at least it's trying. So we'll see how things play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.